Welcome to Alley Park's Nature Center and another episode of Nature Tales, presented by Lancaster Parks and Recreation. Well, if you didn't catch what was all over the table here, I'm going to invite Laura in just a second to come show us what all new goodies we have. Craig and Joan Miller stopped by and brought us some things that we're going to be able to use for teaching, and I think it's all about fossils. So, Laura, take it away here.
So, how many people know what Ohio's fossil is? All right, here's a picture of the Ohio fossil. It's an Isotellus, and this is actually a nice, really coloring book page that you can find through Ohio Department of Natural Resources, or actually it's through geology. But this is it right here. This is the bottom lobe of an Isotellus right here. And then we have crinoids. You zoom in on that one, and a full crinoid top.
So, what is a crinoid?
It's the sea creatures. All these are going to be of the Ordovician period. So, and it's a part in Ohio, around Cincinnati area, and into Kentucky and Indiana. And it's just a period of time where you could find these oceanic, warm, shallow sea creatures. And there are actually living record of these guys too, and be part of a coral reef area. But it's kind of cool also here we have brachiopods, which look like your clam shells almost, but it's a bivalve. Then you have gastropods, which will look a lot like a snail. And then more brachiopods and more brachiopods and more brachiopods. Oh my! So this is so cool. Then you have the bryozoas, which would be part of corals too. And then all these horn corals are pretty cool too. They look like the top of a rhinoceros or something, but these are all horn corals. And then these are coming into my favorite ones. You have cephalopods, which are squids actually. And this would be the shells of the cephalopod, which is an ancient squid. And then more trilobites. Trilobites. I was so happy when I opened these up. Trilobite. I'm just happy. I just love fossils.
And trilobites, again, is our Ohio's fossil, right? State fossil?
Yes.
Okay. And I know for years we went on searches for different fossils and things, and the trilobites that we would find were just like little teeny tiny pieces parts. So, Joan and Craig, thank you very much. These are awesome and things that we can share with the folks that come out to visit us at the Nature Center when we are open again. And that's it for another Nature Tales. Thank you, Laura.
You're welcome.